All right, we're going to talk about company cam on our phones. So we have company cam right here. In this instance, we don't have a project right now, so we're going to create one. So new project. This is the address. We're going to confirm. Name. We're just going to put in there. Bridge test. All right, and next. Is all. This is all correct. Take pictures here. All right, so this is in this instance right here. We just came to this site, and we're gonna take some pre-pictures to say this is what it looked like before we got here. So we're gonna take a picture away. And it's right there. We're gonna get it down close and get a close up. And then we're gonna take a picture of the mess that was here too.
So that way they know that it wasn't bridged.
So then we hit done. So here are the pictures right here. See how they're nice and clear?
It's because you held a second. So
You always want to put your phone right where you want to put it and take a nice clear picture. If you go in here and it's a sloppy picture, just move the trash and take another one, because we don't want to have bad pictures. So again, we did our bridge test. That's what we're putting it under for today. We take a couple pictures, and then that's about it.
So what if the guys are doing this and it's not a test site? What should they name it? Like say
well, if it's not a test site and it's going to be like, so if it's bridge, whatever's on the work order to this job, and then if it's a project ticket, you put the project ticket number in there. If it's a service ticket, you'd put the service ticket number in there. Okay. This way it's easy to find.
Perfect. So what's on their schedule is what they would put on there.
You got it.
Awesome. Anything else I need to know about company cam?
I think that's about it.